asks a question during one of his live streaming sessions. We're going to use an example session in this instance, but we're going to show you how it works. So there are a couple ways you can ask a question. One, you can go through the session QA in the main menu. This will be available on the web and mobile apps. And you can click on a session, ask a question, type it in the question box, and it will appear in that session. The other way you could do it, and probably the way most likely people will do it, and I'll hop into this pre-recorded session to do it here, is you're going to be watching the streaming video, and as the video is going on, I'm just going to pause it because we don't need to hear the whole thing. As the video is going on, a question pops in your head, you want to ask it. This little area here is session Q&A. You can ask Judah a question. How does pre-session pairing work? Submit the question. Now it pops up in the list. We will relay those questions to Judah, and depending upon how many we get, he might go ahead and answer your specific question. From here, I can go back to the question list, and you see right there's already another question, and people have started voting on these. So we'll take the questions that get the most votes, and we'll take the most relevant questions we can to Judah to answer, and hopefully he'll answer your question. So that is how you can use the session Q&A inside the session.